Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Pipedrive for sales management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin saving with Pipedrive for sales management, sign up for a Pipedrive account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start by setting up your pipelines. Click on Pipelines in the main menu. Define the stages that reflect your sales process. Customize the names and order of each stage. Next, import your existing contacts and deals. Use CSV files or connect other tools for seamless integration. Organize your data for easy access. Segments can be created based on criteria like deal size or industry. Create custom fields to capture specific information about your deals. This will improve your data collection and analysis. Now, set up automated workflows. Access the automation settings from the main menu. Choose actions that streamline repetitive tasks. For instance, automate email follow-ups after a deal enters a specific stage. Utilize the reporting features to track performance metrics. Visit the reports section to analyze your sales activities. Regularly check conversion rates and deal progress. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Leverage Pipedrive's integration with other tools. Connect applications like email services, marketing platforms, and calendars. This allows for enhanced collaboration and efficiency. Implement regular check-ins with your team through Pipedrive. Schedule meetings and use the shared notes feature. Encourage regular updates on deal progress to maintain accountability. Use mobile access for sales management on the go. Download the Pipedrive app for easy access to your pipeline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.